negative people. Hello friends, this is Shundel, and today's share is about staying away from negative people. This is just a share from my own life experiences and of course from my own reading. Many times we cannot reach our goals, our dreams and successes because there are some hindrances along the way, and one of that are those negative people. To stay away from those negative people, you must know your own boundaries and limitation. The boundaries you can set in order to protect yourself and preserve your sanity. Keep your own power. You have to understand that as a human being, God created us with our own power. You have that within you. Stay positive and don't let them influence you. Ignore the perpetrator. I know it's very difficult to ignore, but if you stay focused to your goal, stay focused to what you want to do in your life, believe me, you can do it. Give the silent treatment. To be silent, to just keep it on yourself and not telling or discussing it to them, it becomes easier for you to stay focused to your goal. Just be silent. There's nothing wrong to be silent when you know you are doing some self-limitation. Move to a different space. Move to a different place. You need your own space if you want to set self-limitation. If you want to stay away from this kind of people, you must move to another place and have your own space. Look away from that certain person. You don't need to discuss, you don't need to fight, you don't need to, explain. You know that already that they are bad influence. So just be silent, move to a different place and have your own space. Look away from that person and don't look back again. Remember that you are doing this for your own good. You can really do it if you know really to go to where you want to be. You have to use imaginary vision. Visualize the things you want in your life, that you want to do this and that. Reaching our goals and dreams and wishes in life, it is very important that we can visualize it first. So use that as a tool if you are going to go away from this kind of people. Give the negative energy back and substitute it with positive vibes, positive energy. You are the one who can work with yourself. Setting our boundaries is very important, and staying positive is very important. Know who you are, know what you want to do, and know yourself when to step back. Setting boundaries and setting limitation about ourselves, we really must know when is the right time to step back. empathy and understanding before attempting to manage negativity. It's important to approach these individuals with empathy and understanding. Yes, we have to understand them. Therefore, you don't need to discuss, you don't need to explain. It's just be silent and stay away. Go away from that crowd. You don't need to explain so much thing. Just simply walk away and create your own space. Take a look at yourself and model the desired behavior you want in your life. You have to design your own life. You have to focus in order for you to reach your goals, dreams, and desires from within your heart. Learn to set boundaries and stay away from negative people. Embracing yourself of who you are, and do not give in. Simply stay on focus. This is Shundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.